In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Metamask and use it to secure your NFTs. If you're holding any valuable NFTs, then you need to know how to protect them. Metamask is the best way to do that, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and use it. So don't wait any longer. Watch this video now and learn how to secure your NFTs using Metamask. If you want to start the NFT or cryptocurrency journey, it is very important to keep your assets safe. You can do this by using a Web3 wallet, like Metamask. In this guide, we will show you how to set up a Metamask wallet and use it to store your NFTs. We will also discuss some benefits of using a Web3 wallet in different situations. Hello, I'm Matt and I'll be helping you navigate the world of NFTs and how to set up a Metamask. If you're interested in learning more about how to keep your NFT secure, then watch this video until the end. The Metamask browser plugin allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain via your browser. If you want to buy or trade ERC20 tokens, like NFTs Ethereum, you should know about Metamask digital wallets. Even if you know little about them, there's no need to worry. In this video, you will learn about Metamask. Metamask is a digital wallet that can store different cryptocurrencies. You will also learn how to set it up. Metamask is a well-known name in the cryptocurrency industry. It is one of the most popular and user-friendly wallets for Ethereum, with over 1.3 million monthly active users. With safety, Metamask is also one of the most reliable digital wallets. Metamask stores your private keys on your device. This means that only you can see your wallet and transactions. So, if you're looking for a safe way to store NFTs, Metamask is a great option. Now that we have talked about some benefits of using Metamask, let's go over how to set it up. You will quickly identify Metamask with the distinct fox logo that follows your cursor on the screen. But before we can learn about finer details, like how to set up Metamask, a digital wallet is a personal key you need to use in order to interact with the cryptographic world. This key allows you to purchase, sell, or transfer digital assets like NFTs or cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. You won't be able to do any of this without a digital wallet. Metamask is a crypto wallet that works with the Ethereum blockchain. This means that it's used to access things like decentralized apps and ERC20 tokens. It's also a free source hot wallet, which makes it a great option for getting started with Ethereum. MetaMask wallet is available for Android and iOS devices. It can be used with some web browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, as an extension. What are some specific uses for the MetaMask wallet? As this is a browser-based wallet, you can use it to store and trade Ether. You can use a MetaMask wallet to access Ethereum and NFTs. After you set up your wallet, it's easy to use the dashboard. There are many decentralized apps and Web3 services you can connect with Metamask. Now that we've seen it, let's get started. To create a Metamask wallet, you must first install the extension to your browser. The browsers that support Metamask include Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Firefox. You can also install the extension on Android or iPhone mobile apps. However, before you do that, be aware of the many phony Metamask imposters on the internet. Some websites that look like Metamask websites are not real. These websites trick you into giving away your login credentials and private key information. Make sure you go to metamask.io to create your wallet. Do not use any other website, because they may not be real. Once you have your wallet, you can set it up step by step. We recommend you visit the MetaMask website, which is the only way to make sure you're using the right site. In this demonstration, we'll set up your wallet using Chrome. However, take note you can replicate these steps across all the other browsers. Our first step is to go to the Chrome Web Store. Add MetaMask to Chrome. Once you get to the web store, click on that blue button Add to Chrome. Next, click on Add Extension, creating your account. First, you will need to create a password or let the random generator create one for you. This is so people cannot steal your information. You will also be shown a 12-word seed phrase. These words help you restore your wallet if you forget your password or if you use a different gadget. It is very important to keep your 12-word seed phrase safe. Your seed phrase is important because it gives access to your wallet and all of its contents. You should print out several copies of it offline in case you lose the original. You can also write it down on a fireproof metallic plate. Now that we've added the extension to your browser, it's time to create an account on Metamask. Find and click on the extension icon at the top right-hand corner of your browser. This icon should be in a similar location on all other browsers. As soon as Metamask opens, it will prompt you to either create or import a wallet. If you're not a newbie, and already created your wallet earlier, you can select Import a Wallet. Remember the 12-word seed phrase I just mentioned. The system will now ask you to input it to confirm that you are authorized to enter the wallet. However, if you're new to Metamask, you'll need to choose Create a Wallet. First, you'll be asked to accept the wallet's terms of use. And after that, you'll be prompted to create a password. Click Create. Take note of this, we already know about the importance of 12-word seed phrases. Once Metamask reveals the words, don't forget to write them down. Now proceed and click the Reveal Secret Words button. The system will show you a unique 12-word seed phrase. Write these words down somewhere safe and make sure you don't forget them. Storing them online is not a good idea because of the potential for cybercrime. Click on Next. And you'll be prompted to verify your secret seed phrase in the correct order. Just remember that if you lose this phrase, there's no way to recover it. If you'd like to download Metamask on mobile, simply visit Google Play Store or the App Store and download Metamask. The setup process for the Metamask wallet is similar to the desktop version. Now that you're in, you can use your new wallet to receive and send ETH tokens or even house your NFTs. So how do you identify your wallet address? There is a button next to the code that you can use to copy on your clipboard and share with anyone who wants to send you tokens. You can also transfer tokens from centralized exchanges like Coinbase or Binance to your wallet. Make sure that you have the right network selected. You cannot use your Metamask wallet to pay in Bitcoin. Your wallet only supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. If you want to spend or use Bitcoin, you must first trade it for Ethereum on exchanges, such as Shapeshift.io. What can you do to protect your digital assets? You can follow a few simple steps too. Ensure your Metamask wallet remains as secure as possible. Metamask, like all other crypto wallets, has public and private keys. It is important to keep a low profile and avoid discussing those private keys with anyone. Anyone who gets access to this information can steal your money. Hackers often try to trick people into revealing their private keys by disguising themselves as a credible source, such as a site you visit. Phishing assaults are a more common method for Metamask wallets to be compromised than direct cyber attacks. If you want to keep your digital assets safe, you can do so by following these simple steps. Use a password that is difficult to guess and type your seed phrase into Metamask only. Avoid temptation to enter your seed phrase anywhere else. When sharing your screen with anyone, be sure to avoid exporting your private keys. Never connect to any websites that look suspicious. And always make sure you can see the URL bar to confirm that you're visiting the correct website. We also recommend that you set up two-factor authentication on your Metamask account. This will require two forms of identification in order to log into your account. You can find this feature under the Settings tab in Metamask. Metamask also offers several other security features, including a seed phrase backup, password recovery, and more. Make sure to explore all of these features so you can be sure your account is as safe as possible. We have now finished our tutorial on Metamask. If you are still worried about the potential security risk of hot wallets, you can consider using a cold wallet like Trezor or Ledger to store your valuable cryptos. These devices are not connected to the internet, which means they are much more secure. If you're interested in learning more about Metamask and other crypto wallets, Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and share your thoughts. See you in the next video.